And we're back at AILA. This is Southern California edition. I know we just came back from New York, but we just couldn't resist coming back to our own Southern California AILA conference, especially if I'm invited to speak on complex cases dealing with L1As and EB1Cs. There's so many great sessions, and we're going to share with you the exact same way we've done it in New York. But this time, on top of Olivia and Shiloh, you'll also get to meet Galen, Margaret, and John. And most importantly, beyond the creative solutions to the complex legal problems dealing with every single type of case, we're going to show you the best LA has to offer in our vlogs. We're going to do one for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Stay tuned.
If you're wondering what AILA is, okay, these are immigration lawyers, and this is AILA. Now, who does Joseph like the most? This man right here. But who is Joseph like the most? Bam! Naruto.